amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Hello and welcome to the channel. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. My name is Nuria and I'm your Spanish teacher, and today I have a short video explaining a little snap of grammar. I don't think it will take too long. It's only a 5-minute video and I hope you get something out of it. So without further ado, let's go into today's topic, which is the word lo in Spanish. So for an English-speaking person, the easiest way probably to understand lo in the way we are going to have a look at today is as translated as a thing or part. For example, we are going to review in today's video how to say the best part was, the best thing was, the hardest thing is. And for that, we are going to use the word lo in Spanish. And a common mistake that I see is that people treat it as if it was de, so the best thing, la mejor cosa, but it isn't, because we're using lo. And lo is going to take that the thing, and we're going to use just lo. Have a look at this with examples, so hopefully you grasp the concept as best as possible. And if you do want me to make a longer grammar video, just let me know in the comments. They usually not do that great, but if you do want, I will sit and explain grammar points more in depth. But this is a bite-sized one, so let's have a look at these with examples. So to translate the good thing into Spanish, we're going to take the thing and say lo, and bueno, good. Lo bueno, the good thing. So for example, the good thing is that it's free. Lo bueno es que es gratis. Now we can say this as well with the bad thing is. Lo malo es. So the bad thing is that it's far away. Lo malo es que está lejos. Okay. We can also do that with the best thing is. Lo mejor es, or the worst thing is, lo peor es. So we don't say lo peor cosa es. For example, the best thing was the food. Lo mejor fue la comida. The worst thing was it was crowded. Lo peor fue que estaba lleno de gente, or estaba petado. It was full, crowded. We can also use the interesting part, lo interesante. So the interesting part is its history. Lo interesante es su historia. So lo interesante. Or you can say the boring thing, lo aburrido. We're going to have a look at two more. Lo difícil, or lo fácil. The difficult thing or the difficult part is, lo difícil es aprender español. The difficult part is to learn Spanish. Or lo fácil es aprender con the Spanish Road. The easy part is to learn with the Spanish Road. And the last one that I'm going to bring you today is the weird thing, lo raro es. So for example, the weird thing is that he never called. Lo raro es que nunca llamó. And that is it for today. So let's do a tiny recap. So we have lo bueno, the good thing is, or lo malo, the bad thing is. We have also seen lo mejor, the best thing, or lo peor, the worst thing. We've also seen lo interesante, the interesting thing or the interesting part is. And we've also seen lo difícil es, the difficult part is, or lo fácil es, the easy part or thing is. And the last one that we've seen today is lo raro is, the weird thing is, blah, blah, blah. So if you like these grammar bite-sized tiny explanations, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this, if you want longer grammar videos or longer explanations, more examples in the videos, and I will see you on the next one. Hasta pronto!